So this is my Milwaukee bandsaw that I've set up with a dropping saw configuration. It's got a lot of clamps on it right now, but it won't in the future. You can see it's got some articulation. Actually operate it from this side, pulling down. And I'll show you how it cuts through this 2.5-inch pipe. Got some vibration to it, but it's because I was using it with one hand. Kind of works more as a guide. It's still a handheld saw, but my arm here acts more as a guide. It does bolt on and off right here and right here, so it can still be used freehand, but it works great to cut through pipe, do some more 90-degree cuts. Also, this fence I've tapped so that it can be unclamped and swiveled to the angle you want, so you can cut probably about a 30-degree, up to a 30-degree, maybe 40-degree cut on any pipe or angle iron. So that's the Porta Band rig that I've made. Thanks.